Rita Marley, the dancehall heroine. Rita Marley, born Alpharita Constantia Anderson on July 25, 1946, in Santiago de Cuba, Cuba, singer, songwriter, and humanitarian, have solidified her legacy as a trailblazer in the genre, although often breaking down barriers and proving that women could dominate the charts just as much as their male counterparts. Who Feels It Knows It, another one of her famous albums, highlighted her influential musicians who continue to shape the reggae and dancehall scene. Her children, particularly Ziggy Marley, Damian Marley, and Stephen Marley, carry forward use their platform for positive change. Rita Marley's impact as a dancehall uplifting women and marginalized communities is a testament to her enduring legacy.